YouTube? This is Clean with Carson. Welcome back to another full property wash. Here, we got one job on the books today. We're gonna do some door knocking afterwards around that neighborhood to see if we can land some more jobs. But we're doing a driveway wash and a house wash for a decent bit of money. It's definitely gonna be very much worth my while. I got this job from just my Facebook profile in general. She just messaged me. She saw all the pictures that I post. She saw all the videos that I post. I post a lot of pictures and videos of me washing. I do kind of like TikTok style videos sometimes. It's the really bad name for it, but it's the best way to explain it. I do give those away for free in my school program, the pressure washing master class. If you guys are interested in that and some, Canva templates and videos and before and afters and mentorship and getting all your questions asked and recommendation videos, I highly recommend joining that. But got fresh SH yesterday and we are ready to rock and roll in a neighborhood I've never worked in before. So we're gonna be definitely putting up some signs. We're definitely gonna be putting up some flyers, and we're gonna be knocking on some doors because it's the only job I have today. So we're gonna see if we can rack up some more business. If not, it is what it is. We'll go home, take one job for the day. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and rock and roll. You guys have been killing it with the support. I think I'm almost at 1,800 subscribers. Either way, it's been crazy, this amount of support I've been given. I really appreciate anybody who watches the videos, who likes them, comments, all that fun stuff. I really do appreciate it. So it keeps me motivated to keep making more. Like for example, the new camera. I've had a couple videos with that, but the new camera, I think it looks a lot better and has a good mic. So we're gonna be getting some nice POV footage with the GoPro or the DJI, and we're gonna get ready to wash. Hopefully you guys are washing right now. You guys need to be washing right now. It's springtime, full swing. We are in the peak season. So let's rock and roll. Ooh, alrighty guys, got the cone out, got the trailer here, got all the setup, got the surface cleaner, got the X-Jet. We're gonna be X-Jetting today. Got the sign out. If you guys have signs, go ahead and put them out. Alright guys, let's go take a look and let's get our before pictures here. So yeah, beautiful thing about this camera, I can get the before pictures. So I'm gonna get some pictures. So yeah, we're doing this driveway, easy peasy. Nothing crazy at all. It's gonna look really good. Doing the sidewalk, doing the house wash. And that's all she wrote. Some people, a quick tip that some people do is that some people will wet down everything. Like if you wet all this driveway down and take a picture, then it looks a lot better. It looks a lot more dramatic because the wetness makes it look like it's disgusting. I guess I'll have to wash around that. Yeah, if you wet down the driveway and then take your before pictures, it's kind of smart. Oh. Look at that, guys. How are we gonna get in? Let's find out. Are both these doors locked? This one doesn't look locked. Oh, it's locked. Welp. That's something. I could just jump this fence, but is there a dog back here? I was told that I run into a little bit of a predicament. We're running into a little bit of a predicament here, guys. We have both the gates locked, and the homeowner's here, but I know she works nights, and I know she's asleep right now because she already paid me. We just might have to hop the fence. It's not very professional, but I would rather do that than wake her up. But yeah, looks like we're gonna have to hop the fence, guys. So dumb. I'm not even that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get set up. Pro tip, ladies and gentlemen, see that? That's gotta go. There's not a chance in the world that I need to spray bleach around that. So if you guys remember anything from this video, be careful with these dog bowls and cat bowls and water bowls and everything like that. Dog's not here right now, but yeah, she opened the gate for me. I think she heard me turn my machine on, so she was like, oh, forgot to do the gate, and I was like, it was fine. See this, guys? See this dead grass right here on the bottom? See, I haven't even started soaping. That's a good thing to document. Let's see if it's on this other side too. Not really, but you can see this grass right here, it's just dead, or it's not blooming yet. Good to note that, because, you never know. Alrighty guys, everything's soaked. Gotta wipe some of that mud off. It's coming off easy peasy though. It wasn't, like I said, the side wasn't too bad. We got knocked down those wasp nests. Really was just the soffit area. We'll do this side next when we come around. Yeah, this is gonna be the fun side. Ooh, man. Love to see algae growth, really do. It's really fun. Yeah, everything's coming off very nicely. That mud came off very nicely with the microfiber towel. And yeah, we're rocking and rolling. I do want to talk to you guys about something. For you guys that use an X-Jet for house washing, I see some guys on the internet, you know, they'll clean houses with an X-Jet, which works totally fine. They use like the proportioners and everything. And I was just wanting to know, I was like, why do you guys clean vinyl and hardy board houses with an X-Jet and not a downstreamer? So like, I don't understand. So like, I'm gonna use the X-Jet for the concrete because I can't use a downstreamer for it. So my question is, why would you guys pay $170 for an X-Jet just to wash vinyl houses when you can pay $20 for a downstreamer and just downstream it? Maybe it's preference, I don't know. But I'm not I'm not trying to critique you guys. I'm just kind of curious because I see it a lot. And maybe they don't want to downstream for some reason, but I don't know, guys. But we got two sides done. We've been here for about 20 minutes maybe. Rocking and rolling. But yeah, let me know let me know if you guys know anybody, or maybe you do it yourself for the contractors out there. You see people X-Jet houses just for algae removal. Do those guys know about downstreaming, or am I just missing something? But yeah, let's go ahead and finish back up back here. Let's go to the front side. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, y'all know what time it is. My favorite part of the driveway wash. We just wrapped up. Let's see this You can barely see the lines right here. You can see them, but it's one of those rare scenarios where it's extremely faint. Yeah, I toned up the pressure a little bit. This is super old concrete, so I can handle it. But yeah, guys, it's the fun part. This is my favorite part of the driveway wash, using the X-Jet. This is my favorite tool. I love using this thing. Let's get to use it. So I actually did an in-person quote for this about a week or two ago, and the beautiful thing about the scheduling feature that I used from Markate, I went ahead and scheduled it like a week in advance, and I actually have another job 3 weeks in advance. I've been using their schedule feature, and it reminds me whenever I have the job coming up, and I could set whatever time that is, and it can automatically let the customer know when I'm en route to their house. Check this out. So I'm gonna go to the Markate app right here, and on the front page we can see the schedule feature, and we have one obviously because today was this job right here. I'll go ahead and blur out her name and her phone number, but we could see that it was at 9 a.m. today, and I could show you the text that it gave me to remind me, and you could set up a feature to let them know that you're en route, however long, 30 minutes or whatever. And I have this job 2 weeks from now on the 24th. It's gonna let me know how much I charge for, who is it at, the address, all that fun stuff, just to make sure I don't forget, and also to let the customer know that I'm en route. The more that you're in business, the more that you'll realize that you can't do everything yourself. So having having Markate or having a CRM like Markate in your corner is like having someone who knows how to do all the logistics and backwork and bookwork for you that you don't have to worry for, so you're able to actually focus on the washing part. Guys, Markate has made my business so professional that this job right here, no joke, she paid me before I even started. No one's gonna do that to a company they don't trust. And to build trust with your customers, you have to show them that you're professional and that you actually mean what you say. And Markate is the absolute icing on the cake that takes your business to the next echelon. You can try out Markate for free for 14 days and $20 off your first month in the link in the description and the bio. Guys, Markate has partnered with me directly, and I cannot thank them enough. You guys definitely need to go check out Markate. Alrighty, guys. Freaking smells like SH. Goodness gracious. Got the driveway finished. Let's go ahead and got the curb finished. Man, I do not enjoy doing the curb. It splatters up mud everywhere, but it makes it look really good. Got the sidewalk finished, got the house finished, and got all this mud over here removed. Let's take a look over here. I got all that mud and clay out of here. See, it's all done. And we'll take a look at the backside too. The backside looks really good. But yeah, this person trusts me. Like I don't really know this person, and they were trustworthy, trust me enough to even just pay me before I even showed up. Back looks good. All of the spider webs are gone. Yeah, guys, if you guys couldn't tell, I X-jetted that driveway for about 3.5 to 4% sodium hypochlorite, which was definitely overkill, but at the same time, you'd rather be overkill than underkill, and it made it look really good. It didn't really need too much, but guys, I love that X-jet. As some of you may know, I've used a soft wash system before, and I didn't really like it, to tell you the truth. I probably would only use it if I got one professionally made, but it always would, you know, kind of mess up on me and not pull the right amount whenever I wanted it to. So that's why I kind of just pivoted to the X-Jet. As you can see, I don't even have a water barrel anymore. So yeah, ever since switching to the X-Jet, it's just been so much better. I can just confidently do driveways and sidewalks without even have to worry about SH, you know, percentages and everything. I could just throw on the X-Jet, good old X-Jet, and it works flawlessly every time. I don't use proportioners either. A lot of people have been asking me that. I do not use any proportioners. I just open tip it, full strength, full send it every single time, because I only use it on like roofs and concrete, so I don't need to dilute it down to like a 2% or anything, like ever. So that's why I do that. But yeah, that's a finished project, guys. House looks good. I'm not gonna bother the woman because she's asleep. I might text her just in case. I'll go ahead and text her, and if she comes out, she comes out. She doesn't, she doesn't, but I have a feeling that she'll be very happy. See that curb, guys? Always make sure to do your curbs. That's just my 2 cents. That's all done for the job. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna sit here for a second and just cool off, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna grab some flyers. I'm gonna go all around the neighborhood, see if I can't land another job right now or maybe next week. So take a little breather right now. If not, if the video's almost over, then I probably won't get a job, but I'll definitely try. So yeah, just chilling right now. But yeah, very easy job. Customer's still asleep, so I just texted her. She already paid me, like I said before. She paid me before I even left my house. So like I said, you know, the more professional work you do and the more professional you lay out your business and everything, customers will just trust you better, and you'll find better quality customers and more high paying customers and everything like that. So yeah, we're gonna take a chill pill, and well guys, that looks like that's a wrap on the video. Unfortunately, I just put some flyers on people's doors. Nobody was really home. I had a couple conversations, but nothing really crazy or anything. So yeah, guys, it's springtime. We have a lot of content coming out, and I have a lot of videos that I have on my channel of going over pressure washing and how to get good at it, and you know, all that fun stuff, plus the pressure washing masterclass. So if you guys are looking to get good at pressure washing, I highly recommend watching some of my videos. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I do have some educational videos, and the videos that I take along with you, like along with me like this, I do try to make somewhat educational, you know, and entertainment, of course, but got a lot of videos on my channel. I highly recommend that you check some of them out. But yeah, it's been Cleveland Carson, guys. Check out the pressure wash masterclass, and definitely check out Markate. It's been Carson. I'm out.